Alright guys, so I've taken the plastic wrapping off of this thing. Figure we'll start seeing what it looks like inside here. So you open it right here from the top. Alright. Just open it here. Open the tabs. There's some plastic inside of it. Alright, and it looks like there's the camera with a little bit of attachment there. Looks to be inside of the case already, so that looks very nice. So it looks like on the back here it has a little getting started guide. Alright, making sure the battery's full of power. Oh, and the SD card is not included in this, so you'd have to purchase that separately here. Let's see what else we got here. Alright, so there's a box in a box. And I gather this is where all the little attachments and all that other stuff are here. Alright, let's see what do we got. Yeah, this plastic case looks like it's a piece of the cover for the back of the camera here. I got some, let's see, a user manual there. Some instructions. Oh, it's pretty cool about this action camera here. It comes with a little wrist remote, right, that you can actually use to take the pictures. They're also willing to give you some kind of free accessories here if you just give them a review. So that's pretty cool. And here's all the attachments here. This is the little watch that you can take the pictures with. Yeah, some more of the casing. And there's some more. It comes with some attachments here. Let's see. Attachment. Yeah, so it has all these different kind of mounting options here for you. Kind of cool. Seems to also come with a cleaning cloth here and some zip ties. This is some more mounting options there. If you want to zip tie it to something or hang it off of something. Alright, very cool. There really are a lot of accessories that are in here that can really help. There's some straps. Really help give you some options as to where to put this. The charger cable. Alright, if you want to mount it onto a helmet. If you want to mount it to a bicycle. This is the battery. Looks like the battery here. Actually, no, this is a dock, the charging dock for the battery. So you can actually charge the battery outside of the camera, which is good if you want to get some extra batteries. Give you some more time if you're recording videos and things of that nature. Oh, here's the battery. Alright. Very small. Looks like 3.7 volts. Comes with a 1050 mAh battery. And oh, see, this actually comes with two batteries here. Two batteries, so that's really good. Comes with two batteries, and that's about it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this unboxing. Alright, so you got a lot of cool accessories here. Don't forget to fill out that survey. Alright, fill out the survey, you get some free accessories there. And that's it.